Today, 9th October 2025, the Council of State meeting was held earlier, and one of the major decisions taken at the Council of State meeting was the appointment of the chairman of National Population Commission. The person appointed based on the recommendation by Mr. President, who chaired the Council of State, President Tinubu. And at the meeting, just like the governor of Imo State have just said, and chairman progressive governors, in attendance were former presidents and head of states, President Ibrahim Babangida and President Abdulsalam Abubakar, as well as other members of the council, including governors. Again, there was a proposal based on based on the recommendation by Mr. President through the Attorney General and Minister of Justice on the report by the Advisory Committee on Prerogative of Mercy to the Council of States for its approval. After the deliberation, the Council approved unanimously for the different categories of the prerogative of mercy. The total is about 175. Of the total, email recommended for presidential clemency were about 82. Those recommended for reduced sentence for their terms of imprisonment are 65. Those recommended for reduced sentences from death to life imprisonment are about 7 in number. So the total number is 175, unanimously approved by the Council of State as recommended by Mr. President and presented to the Council by Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation. These are two items also deliberated and agreed unanimously by the Council. Thank you very much. The chairman of National Population Commission that was appointed based on the approval of the Council of States unanimously is Dr. Aminu Yusuf from Niger State, as well as the Federal Commissioner representing Yobe State in person of Alhaji Tonga Betara Bularafa, who is also appointed today and unanimously approved by the Council of State. Today I already available, and I'm sure at the end of this in the senior special assistant to the President of Media will provide to you the only people that certainly were given this posthumous pardon and are the Ogoni 9, which of course you know there are no more, as well as the Ogoni 4 victims recommended for posthumous national honor. But the Ogoni 9 are among the list of the 175 recommended and approved for this prerogative of mercy. Thank you very much.